We're only going to be here for a couple of minutes.
That's fantastic.
This is America, so obviously it's got the world's largest gift store. It's so funny. So before I walked in here, I was laughing, thinking, oh my goodness, what are we doing in here? I'm actually here, and it is quite amazing. There is everything. Every game you can think of, just amazing. This is the place to come for Christmas presents.
They wouldn't, would they?
So how good is this shop?
Oh, it's lovely. Look, they've got silicone non-slip jar openers. They've got really cute little kitchen sink strainers. It's lovely.
If you're ever planning on doing Route 66, one of the really good things that you should do is pick up one of the passports that you can buy before you start. So whether it's in Chicago or Los Angeles, I think they were $10, probably less than that. But it gives you places to visit where there's little stamps and little gifts, and it keeps you on Route 66 and gives you a real different view of places that you probably would have just gone through without even looking at. So there's a little tip. Uranus fudge. You pick it, they'll pack it. So 10 years ago, this was the world's largest rocking chair. It's now the second largest rocking chair in the world, and actually it never rocked anyway, so it's just a chair that you can't sit on. Love it. That's Route 66. Right there. Nuts. Start of our very last day on Route 66.